Now, what is the Passwords app on the iPhone? Well, let me explain that. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So you might have noticed that there is the Passwords app. A few iOS versions back, we did not have the app. It was just a menu inside of the settings. So if you are on an older version, you can find it likely inside of your settings as a separate menu. But the point is that this is an app which is supposed to be your passwords manager. So whenever you are setting up a new account or logging into a new place on your phone, so for example, you download Netflix, you're signing in with your account. After you type in your email and a password, this app is going to pop up and ask you if you want to save that password. And if you decide to save it, then you'll be able to see that inside of this app, all of these different services have the password saved. So all of that stuff has been here. It's part of my passwords app. So I can see that I get to decide to manage it right here. It's all saved in here. So I can, it's not possible for me to forget it because it's all securely stored in here. But even if I'm then logging into the same service again, for example, you can see I have the Discord in here. If I download the Discord on my iPhone right now and go to the sign in page, I only have to tap one button, which is going to be indicated with the passwords icon, scan my face, and the username as well as the password will be input into the sign in page, and I don't even have to type in any password, any username or anything. So it is a passwords manager, which makes things convenient by making sure you don't have to remember all of the other passwords, but as well it makes things quicker because it also lets you sign in with a click of a button and not having to type in the password. So I hope it makes sense. I use it for some services, not for everything, but it's a great service from Apple, so it's all securely stored. Let me know if you have the plans to use it in the future. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.